Oh my god. What's up everybody? Today's video we're gonna look at the coolest light lanterns with Bluetooth speakers built in with a flickering flame effect. We just gotta click this Bluetooth once. All four paired, so anywhere we move these 20 meters apart, you're gonna get stereo sound. They will last up to 18 hours on a single charge. They're IP65 waterproof. And the crazy thing about these LED lights is that you can connect up to 100 at a time and one audio source. I'm gonna show you how to configure that. Different hanging brackets. Stay tuned for the whole video. All right, so I wanna show you something. We have been building this fire pit, basketball court. We wanted some really cool feature and I came across these awesome, not only LED lights for the backyard with a flame effect, but these are speakers. These actually link up together and you can go all the way to 100 speakers linked up simultaneously, and you can play one track across all of them. Right now the only lights that we have are those solar panel and they have different colors, but the flame effect that the NUNET Multilink flame speakers have is just blows it out of the water. All right, so first impressions, oh man, they are gonna look so sweet. On the very top, you're gonna note your power button, your Bluetooth pairing button, your volume down, volume up, then your light mode has the flickering effect. You press it again, gives you a brighter solid look, and that turns it off. All right, so here's all you get with each speaker. Obviously a USB-C cord, 2 sets of hardware. This is like a ball joint rotator. Cool thing is these speakers have a 1/4-inch mount at the bottom, so you basically can just have them mounted like that. I'm gonna go and put them side by side and we're gonna go link them all up and we're gonna see how great they are. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. Okay, so you have a solid off and then you have the flame effect. This actually looks like it's on fire. The mood that this creates is unbelievable. If you look at it, even from up close, it's not like you can see the flickering of these LEDs. It just looks legit. Alternatively, you get this plastic spike, screw it in at the bottom, and then you can have this impaled in the ground. Very similar to like those speakers. And I said those to come on and then they change colors, right? You see how I did those? So then this, obviously, you can just turn on and then it can just kind of be like that. Now, if you want to elevate this, this is why we got this kit. Now, this kit, it's got these metal, these are metal, by the way, spikes. These also have a mount on them. Then you attach the bottom piece to the spike. And then finally you take this and then you attach it to the very top. And there you go. It's like a spear of destiny. And now we can go and, like I said, press this spike in, but this one's metal, so you can really drive this one in depending on what you're trying to hang. And then you take this handle, you turn this one on, and boom, you get to just hang this. So, and if you wanted to go lower, you could just remove one of those, but yeah, plenty of mounting options. So we're really going to be able to do something cool. And the great thing is this is obviously removable, so you could just take this with you camping, and not only can you have music, but like it's such a cool mood to just have this. And yes, these are obviously waterproof. As you can see, it's pouring out right now, and then we still have all our lights always just kind of sitting there. It only takes 4 to 5 hours to charge this fully through a USB-C. You can connect it directly to a charging cube or power bank. So you need to first pair one of the speakers. That's going to be your main speaker. You're going to see blue flashing. That means it's in pairing mode. So we're going to go load up our phone, turn on our Bluetooth, and then we're going to look for a speaker called NU10M. It's going to say connecting. You're going to hear a chime when it's successfully. So we've also turned on the other speakers. You can see that they're all flash. Now I'm going to pull up Spotify and just play some tracks so you can see how it plays off one speaker and then connect the rest. So I'm controlling. So if we have a projector or a cell phone or anything hooked up to these via Bluetooth, it's going to play. So it's great for entertaining outside. Now, if I wanted to go and group these, for this part, we don't need our cell phone. So we're going to grab this speaker and we're going to click this Bluetooth once. That's going to turn into a flashing green. Now, we want to press this Bluetooth and this Bluetooth at the same time. So remember, main speaker, green, press this together really quickly, like that. Now this one's going to turn light blue. So that's how you know it's main signal. And this one In a second, it's gonna beep, and it's gonna pair automatically. See that? That's it. Now you can hear it.
Look at that.
Both of them. Now, you got one solid, one light blue, and then these were flashings. So again, press this once, and this one you don't have to do a double. See, it paired automatically, and this one too. We just gotta click this Bluetooth once, and then it's gonna automatically short term, and there you go.
In the description to this.
So there you go. All four paired. So anywhere we move these, 20 meters apart, which is about 30-35 feet, you're gonna get stereo sound. 45 by 28 by 28 centimeters, or 17.7 by 11 by 11 inches. The material. All right, so the bass on these is kicking as well. And let me tell you, I don't think you're gonna find speakers that are actually better than this. Not only that, you're not gonna find flickering flame lights better than this. These also come in a different look, so they have this oval shape. For me particularly, I prefer these ones with our chic look, but there are others as well that may go with your particular decor. I think everything else is just like flexible. See, ABS plastic or some sort of a straight plastic. This actually fell on my ground a couple times too. It hasn't broken. So whatever material this is from, it's also pretty good. So that's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and enjoy the speakers. Let me just crank the volume because they're all paired still. Alright, so here's an example of the backyard when the lamps are turned on. Now we do have our waterfall here. I just wanted to show you guys what the area looks like. The mood that this creates is unbelievable. And that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.